Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to fix the Photoshop system error at launch, which says the program can't start because D3DCompiler_47.dll is missing from your computer. So let's start. Firstly, download Microsoft's update for D3DCompiler. I have mentioned the link in the description box below. Install the D3DCompiler update on your computer. After installing the update, restart your computer. It's optional. Launch Photoshop CC to check if your problem is resolved.